Welcome to MarineMax of Minnesota. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I'm going to walk you through a 2024 Sea Ray Sundancer 320. The 320 is a great boat to do a little bit of everything when you're out there. It's a great boat to stay on board overnight or just use as a day boat. So let's walk through all the different features that the 320 can give you. Here in the back, we're going to start with a nice sun pad. You got a nice backrest right here. This does actually move, so if you want, you can open this all the way up, make it feel like the cockpit is rolling right into the back of the boat. And then in the back of the boat, we do have a submersible swim platform. At the press of a button, right back under here, that swim platform will deploy into the water. It's a great place to just kind of hang out with family and friends in the water as well. So also want to point out too, we have the sheer shade, so you press a button, this shade will come out and cover all the people that are right in here. So if it's a really hot day, you can protect yourself from there. So let's come on into the cockpit area. We'll start over here at the starboard side. We open this up. This is an option for a grill. And then we do have a sink right in here as well. And then right below here, we do have a refrigerator that pulls out, and you also have your garbage can that pulls out. I want to mention that this particular Sea Ray has the twin Mercury 6.2 liter 300 horsepower engines, so plenty of power for this particular model. It does come with a cockpit table. Is a table that goes right into here, and everybody can kind of sit around it right in this area right here. Obviously, we got seating here. We've got seating facing forward. Just by pulling this, you can actually sit aft, which is kind of nice to have different options there. Up on the top here, we do have the sunroof that opens and closes. So depending on the day, you can just open that and lock it into place. Or if it's cooler like today, we can just keep that nice and closed. So why don't we come up to the cockpit area. So up here at the cockpit, we do have the dual SIMRAD screens. They do have redundant information on them, but you can go in and put exactly what you want. If you want engine information over here, if you want your audio over here or lighting over here, you can kind of mess with those and work with what's best for you. We got the Fusion stereo system in this particular model, so there's speakers all over the cockpit, down in the cabin area, in the bow, along with a subwoofer in the boat as well. So I did mention that we have twin 6.2 Mercs in here. You got your double throttles right here, so you can choose to use just one throttle or both at the same time. You also have your joystick control, being that it's a twin engine, so docking has become super easy now. So going in reverse, you can twist it, it'll go in a 360. You can even go sideways. And then one of the big features that I really like is called Skyhook. So if you're just needing to wait for another boat to go by, whatever it is, you hit that Skyhook and the boat will GPS itself right in that same location and will not move. So very helpful to have that at your fingertips. So let's go up to the bow. So one thing that's changed when they made this 320 is the functionality of the bow. So you've got basically 3 or 4 spots that you can sit here. You've got armrests, you've got headrests, you've got cup holders, and you do have the Fusion stereo up here as well to control. Your speakers are up here. You have access to your windlass up in here as well. So the bow has become an awesome place to sit here all day long if you want. And now I want to take you down to the cabin area. All right, welcome to the cabin of this 320 Sea Ray Sundancer. The way it's configured right now is kind of a convertible bed, if you will. So you can actually have this all right here. If somebody needs to sleep, take a nap, whatever it may be, you have access to this. Otherwise, when you take this off, you can see that's just the table under there. So you can raise this up and it can be a nice dining area. We do have a TV. Back into here, you have more Fusion speakers up in this area, another refrigerator. We have a microwave down here. And then we do have a full wet head. So So you've got your toilet, you've got your sink, and then obviously with the wet head, you can take a shower in there, and it is fairly tall. And then I didn't mention this, but the 320 does come, this particular one does come with the generator. So if you cannot get to shore power, you can turn on that generator and you have heat and air in here ready to go. And then right underneath here are a couple beds that you can sleep in. They can be 2 separate beds, or they can be pushed together if you'd like, and there is another TV down there as well. So 320 Sundancer for model year 2024 is here in Minnesota, ready to take a look at. So if you have any questions on it, you can give us a call, set up an appointment, or just stop on by. Love to show it to you. As always, please click the like button for this particular video, and click to subscribe to see all the videos that we're putting out daily.